This will be a speed test between the Huawei Mate 10 Pro with a Kirin 970 and 6 gigs of RAM versus the Google Pixel 2 XL. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time and see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! There's nothing in the background. So let's get started with the messaging app. Ooh, very close. The camera. Very close again. Let's see, calculator. Man, can't really tell. Clock on both. You guys be the judge. Play Store. Click on Lift and leave it on that page. eBay on both. Ooh, very close. Click on this item and leave it on this page. Amazon shopping. Woo! Can't tell. Click on this and leave it there. Adobe Acrobat Reader. Maybe the Pixel 2 XL on that one. Speed test app. And give this to the Mate 10 Pro. Check the settings, make sure we're on the same server. Let me just fix this real quick. There you go. Run a speed test on the Pixel 2 XL first. Mario Run. Both are loading. And which one's gonna come out ahead? Ooh, I think that's a tie. Tap to begin on both. Let's see, I'm just gonna skip all this. Leave it right there. Angry Birds 2. Logging in on both. And we have the Mate 10 here out in front. But will the Pixel 2 XL catch it? And it does, I think. Yup, the Pixel 2 XL is slightly out in front. Damn, that was close. Subway Surf. Both are loading. And the Pixel 2 XL slightly out in front. We'll tap to play on both and stop the game. Temple Run 2. Both devices loading this game right now. And looks like the Pixel 2 XL is slightly out in front. And give this to the Pixel. Tap to play. And we'll stop the game right there. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Go. And the Pixel 2 XL I think is out in front. And give this to the Pixel 2. Twitter on both phones. And give that to the Mate 10 Pro. And Snapchat. Give that to the Mate 10 Pro. The multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background. As you can see, start with Twitter. Ready to tweet. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Ready to play. Temple Run 2. Ready to resume, as you can see. Subway Surf. Also ready to resume. Very nice. Angry Birds 2. Ready to play. Mario Run. Ooh, I think a reload on Pixel 2 XL. Okay, keep that in mind. Speed test app. And ooh, another reload on a Pixel 2 XL. Mate 10 kept that in RAM. Starting to see a little difference here. 6 GB versus 4. Acrobat Reader. Ooh, another reload on a Pixel. Okay. Amazon shopping. Okay, both still in RAM right on this item. The eBay app on both. And still in RAM on both, but Pixel 2 XL had to reload the page. Play Store. Both on the Lift app, ready to go. The clock on both. And I think that was a refresh on the Pixel 2. And here's the calculator, still in RAM on both. The camera. And ooh, a little bit of a delay on Pixel 2 XL. And the messaging app, boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Difference between 4 gigs in the Pixel 2 XL and the 6 gigs in the Mate 10 Pro was a little bit apparent on this test, as the Pixel 2 XL did have to reload some apps. But let me know what you thought about this matchup down below. Are you hashtag Team Pixel, rocking your Pixel 2 XL, or the regular Pixel 2, or Pixel from last year? Or are you a fan of the Huawei phones, such as the Mate 10, Mate 10 Pro, the Mate 9 from last year, or the P10? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Angry Birds 2.
Here is some information about the Birds 2. Land's End. Killer birds infest a seaside town where parents take their children for vacation.